Hi guys, as you know, we've got a Ford Everest, the previous generation, and we've just added something that I think is quite a nice thing. We've had this fridge. It's a Campco, also known as an Alpicool fridge. It's a 57 liter fridge freezer, dual zone, all those things. But every time you want to open it, as you can see here, there's a problem. So that didn't really work for us. You have to take the whole thing out almost and then try and dig for your stuff. So we've gotten this, the front runner, these days they call themselves Dometic fridge slide. It is a medium cargo slide, so it's got a nice little lever here, but you can open it, slides out, and you've got your fridge here. So now you can open it, nice and big. You can see inside, very nice and spacious. You can always watch a video on the actual fridge, but it's nice and sturdy. We've also, this specific slide, why we chose this one, also after a lot of looking at all the options, is you've got a cutting board, which is very practical. You're packing out all your things. You can very easily just pack your things here while you're looking for something, or purely just do, if you were making yourself a sandwich or bread or something for next to the road, immediately got a table. So that works very nice. This also, you can open it nice and big. You've got your space to work, and your fridge slider that looks like that. So what we've done, because we don't want to drill anything or remove the back seats, so the back seats are still there, we didn't drill any holes. We've got the plank at the bottom, 18mm plywood, which we just made a couple of adjustments to. There we've got a ratchet strap. So there's two, on each side there's two holes through the plank. They attach, it's one ratchet strap, but on the bottom of that seat there's a thick pole like this, which holds the seat obviously. So I'm assuming it's strong enough. Feels very strong, and you just ratchet it nice and tight, nothing too hectic, just to hold it in place. So it does have a little bit of play, but nothing hectic, and that holds it in place. At the front we're going to attach it to these hooks here, well, to that one on that side. So if you close it, then you just untie it here, slide it back in, and you sort it. So we're considering still, if it's necessary, to attach it here to here, well, to the plank. There is holes already in the plank, but somehow I don't think it is necessary. Let me know what you think. It's a drill-free hole, nothing changed on the car. And the wiring, the next step is now to replace this socket with something a bit more sturdy that will be in the hole here. But for now it will work like that as well, and then just to power it a little bit better directly from the battery. So let me know what you think. I think this is going to make a huge difference for our trips. Just makes getting things out of a fridge so much easier. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.